Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are grouping two simple signals together, 52-week high breakout and 52-week low breakdown. They are mirror images, so they are easier to understand side by side. A 52-week high breakout answers one question: is this stock reaching its highest price in about a year? A 52-week low breakdown asks the opposite: is this stock reaching its lowest price in about a year? Think of the last 52 weeks as a one-year scoreboard. If price makes a new high, it is beating every level traders saw during the past year. If price makes a new low, it is losing every level traders saw during the past year. That is why these alerts are popular. They are simple, visual, and do not require a formula. On a chart, imagine a ceiling above price. That ceiling is the highest point from the past year, when price pushes above it. Traders may see fresh strength, strong demand, or a breakout that deserves attention. Now flip the picture. Imagine a floor under price. That floor is the lowest point from the past year. When price breaks below it, traders may see weakness, rising risk, or a stock that needs extra caution. But here is the important part: a 52-week high is not automatically a buy signal. Sometimes a stock breaks out and keeps trending. Other times it pops above the old high, then fades back down. A 52-week low is not automatically a short signal either. Some stocks keep falling, but some become oversold and bounce. The alert is a starting point. For a 52-week high, check volume, the broader market, earnings news, and whether price can hold above the breakout area. For a 52-week low, check whether the drop is caused by real business trouble, weak market conditions, or a temporary overreaction. In signal alert, add 52-week high breakout or 52-week low breakdown. Choose the stocks you want to watch and create the alert. The goal is simple: let signal alert catch major one-year levels so you can decide whether the move deserves a closer look. Visit Signal Alert.io and build your next market alert in minutes.